Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 874 points, that is 1.11%, and settled at 79,468 points. Nifty 50 is up by 304 points, that is 1.27%, and settled at 24,297 points. Bank Nifty is up by 370 points, that is 0.75%, and settled at 50,119 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 1358 points, that is 2.45%, and settled at 56,873 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 511 points, that is 2.86%, and settled at 18,383 points. The Board of Directors of the AIA Engineering Company has fixed the record date for the proposed buyback offer as record date, Tuesday, 20th August 2024. To determine the entitlement and names of equity shareholders who purpose shall be entitled to participate in the proposed offer for buyback of up to 10 lakhs equity shares of the company at the price of 5,000 per equity share. Further, pursuant to our intimation dated 14th May 2024, the company had fixed book closure date from Tuesday, 3rd September 2024 to Monday, 9th September 2024 for the purpose of determining entitlement of the members of the company to receive dividend of 16 at 800% per equity share having face value of to each fully paid up for the financial year 2023. Chola MS and Mahindra Finance join hands to offer motor and other non-life insurance solutions. Times through this partnership, Mahindra Finance aims to offer comprehensive financial solutions to its customers. Times partnership to provide motor and other non-life insurance solutions to over 10 million customers of Mahindra Finance to further expand Chola MS distribution network. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. We would like to inform you that GE T&D India Limited, the company, has received of order from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. The order worth 305 crore rupees. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Welspun Living Limited has proposed to buy back shares worth 278 crore rupees on Tuesday. The company will repurchase over 1.26 crore shares at a price of 220 rupees per equity share, according to an exchange filing. The date of opening of the buyback is 9th August, and the offer closes on 16th August. The buyback represents 7.87% and 6.67% of the paid-up equity share capital and free reserves, including securities premium account, of the company on audited standalone and consolidated basis, respectively, as on 31st March 2024. The promoters will also participate in the buyback, the company said. The promoters currently hold 70.50% equity. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Shares of Cupid Limited were locked in its upper circuit limit for the second consecutive session on Wednesday after the company's net profit jumped nearly fourfold in the June quarter and its board approved a wholly owned subsidiary in the UAE. The company posted a net profit of 8.26 crore rupees in the first quarter of the current financial year in comparison to 2.16 crore rupees in the year-ago period. The total income was 25% up to 44 crore rupees as compared to 35.1 crore rupees, according to an exchange filing. Shares of Cummins India rose 7% today after the power solutions technology provider reported a 33% year-on-year jump in standalone net profit for the first quarter. Cummins India's net profit climbed to 419.8 crore rupees in the first quarter against a net profit of 315.7 crore rupees in the June 2023 quarter. The board of directors have approved raising of funds by way of issuance of unsecured non-convertible debentures, NCDs, bonds, other instruments, listed and or unlisted, on private placement basis, in one or more tranches, for an amount not exceeding 3,000 crore rupees, rupees 3,000 crore only, during the period of 1 year from the date of approval by the shareholders. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.